Hello, here's how to make a foldable squash book. You'll need the template printed out, and I have some colouring pens. I've got some pens and some highlighters, a pair of scissors and a glue stick. Now you can see that I've started colouring in the world pictures on this one. You can have different types of decorations. This one has the world. First thing we're going to do is we're going to cut out the template, the thing with the squares on it. So this is what it looks like when you cut it out. It has some thick dotted lines and some thin ones, so all the little dots and the little dashes, and we're going to fold those. The instructions are on the template. It tells you to cut along the solid lines. On the dotty ones, the pale ones, you're going to fold towards you, and on the thicker dashed ones, you're going to fold away from you. So I'll show you how to do that now. On the thinner lines, we're going to fold towards you. So here's one of the thin ones. I'm going to fold that towards me. Now the more accurate you can do the folds, the better your squash book will work. So that's that first diagonal one on that side, and there's another one on the other side. And then I have the crisscross in the middle. So that's all the ones on the thin dotty lines that are folding towards me. Yeah. Now I'm going to do the thicker dashed lines, and I'm going to fold those away from me. That's going to be folding like that away. The easiest way to do that is just flip it over. So this is one of the dashed lines, and again as accurate as you can so that your squash book will work really well. So that's one diagonal, and see how that's folding the opposite way to the others. This one's folding towards, this one's folding away. I've then got some crisscrosses on here, and again, easiest way to do that is to flip it over. And the last two up here. There, that's all the folding complete, and now you can see that when we try and push it up, it will fold itself into this fabulous squash book shape. I'll just show you that again. You see how these ones at the end folds away, and the one in the middle folds towards. So there's your, yeah, that's your squash book. So now it's time to decorate. So now we're ready to decorate. I've cut out one of the pictures of the world. This one shows Africa, the western part of Asia and Europe. On the back of our smash book, I've already stuck the one showing North and South America. Don't worry, Australasia, you're in there as well, although I do apologise that if you happen to live in Antarctica, I'm afraid I haven't got a globe showing your continent, but I've got everybody else. So I've coloured them in and cut them out, and I'm just going to stick Africa and Europe onto the front. So making sure I've got it the right way up, it opens at the bottom. Yep, so the bit where it opens is the bottom, and the bit with all the folds on is the top. So I'm going to put plenty of glue on here, and then I'm going to stick my world. Of course you can decorate these in any way you want, but I'm doing these, this smash book here, to illustrate when Jesus said that we should go and tell everybody how much God loves them, to all the people all over the entire world. And he said we had to go and take his good news, are you ready for this? To the ends of the world, to the ends of the earth. There we go. And I've got in the middle, I've drawn my third globe there, and I've drawn lots and lots of people. Whew. So you can decorate this however you like. So mine's got the world on the front and on the back there. You see that? And Jesus said we had to go and take his message of God's love to the ends of the earth. I've drawn loads and loads of people there. Isn't that great? That's your squash book. It squashes down and opens up. Isn't that great? There we go.